Welcome to Coxie's Picks. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy. Hello all and welcome to Quick Show and Tell. This time I will be showing you all these rather fetching HIATT military darby handcuffs from 1952. Don't let their age fool you. These things are still exceptionally good at their design job. So much so that they are still in service in places like Pakistan. They function with a screw plug attached to a spring locking pawl. As you rotate the key, this mechanical action pulls the locking lug clear from the cuff and allows it to open. So, let's slap these on and try and escape. I will be using a shomertec darby escape toggle from uklockpickers. The cuffs themselves are comfortable and afford a lot of movement. The interlinked chain is twice as long as modern handcuff designs. This additional distance allows the extra freedom. Okay, onto the tool. The tool itself is an acrylic plastic tube. This is inserted onto the plug, and then screwed in, which cuts a thread. To get an additional turn, wrap the loop around the tool and twist. Once happy, give a short sharp tug and this shock movement will pull the plug, which pulls the lug, and releases you. Here on my right hand you have a better view. A great tool, but pricey. I will show a much more cost-effective method of making these tools in the future. Stay safe and I will see you in the next video.